So when I fall behind, just give me one more day to regret the word I could never say. I'm drowning with the past, ocean of yesterday. Stuck in the night with no end, but I'll be alright. Come morning, don't take me now. I'm so damn close to learning how. I need your ghost. Melody, I just need to stay away, but you're obsessed with time. No clue what's at stake. In the final round of a lifelong game, so I step out of bounds. I don't want things to change. Stuck in the night with no end, but I'll be alright. Come morning, don't take me now. I'm so damn close to learning how. I need your ghost. You want something more. You're waiting for a light to change. Well, I've been here before.
Ano si tawag yung mushroom? Nakalimutan ako. Yung egg. Ano sabi ko? Parang may kulang na kulay. Kulang yellow, green, orange lang, tsaka white. Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. And today we're gonna do meal prepping again because the following nights, 4 nights actually, I will be working again. And I don't want to worry about our dinner for the next 4 nights. So I'm just gonna prepare for our meal so that it'll be easier for us to prepare during the night shift. I mean before the night shift. So what I'm gonna do right now is just cook 2 recipes. One sinigang, fish sinigang, and the second one is chicken adobo. I already marinated the chicken for the chicken adobo, and now I'm just gonna prepare all the ingredients for the sinigang. And the one that I cooked a while ago from the previous clips is just japchae, which is a Korean food. And we already almost finished everything. We ate that for our dinner tonight, and then Mac got some for his lunch tonight. Lunch, technically lunch or snack for tonight because he's working. We still have a little bit of leftover, so probably that will be for my breakfast tomorrow morning. So if you want to see what I'm gonna prepare for this video, please keep on watching.
You were the laughter early in the morning, down in the kitchen watching TV. You were the music that led me to the 6th string. Now it's been so long since I've heard you sing. I looked up to you, brother. Even when you lost your way in the madness of New York City. Oh, you found her, and now I know there's hope for me. You told me the story.
Hey guys, so almost done na po tayo sa pagluluto. Ongoing lang na priniprito ko yung potatoes dito kasi para mabilis lang siya maluto. Tsaka, mas maganda yung texture niya kasi kapag naprito siya. Pinapritohan ko na lang din yung siran ko ng manok. Siran? Basta sinear ko kasi yung manok na naman Tagalog nun. Basta para ko siyang prinito sa sarili niyang mantika. Ayan. And then, kumukulo na ata yung aking sinigang. So, pwede ko nang ilagay yung ating yam leaves. Ayan guys, kung pupunta po kayo sa Asian store, kung gusto nyong bumili ng kamote leaves, ang nakalagay, ang label po niya is yam leaves. Ayan, yam leaves. So, yun. Oh!
Got me thinking that this can all be true. Speculating, a long time waiting to hear a word back from you. Conversations in my head got me conflicted with what you said. I tend to second guess myself. Like, too much? Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park.
So, finally guys, ay natapos ko na rin po ang pagme-meal prep. Meron lang akong 5 serving adobo. Ang daming nalagay sa isang baonan. For sure, hindi namin yan mauubos. Kaya, wala na kasi akong glass na container. Naubos na yung mga galing Sam's Club. Andyan na lahat sa loob kasi nandyan na yung mga salad ko na na-prepare ko na rin. So, yan. Siguro 2 beses namin kakainin yung isang baonan. Kasi guys, pag kumakain naman kami ni Mac, hindi lang siya yung adobo. Minsan may mga side dishes din kami. Actually, yung sinigang, siya yung side dish namin. Kapag medyo dry yung pagkain kasi gusto namin na yung may sabaw. So, that's it for this vlog, guys. Papalamigin ko na lang and then sa fridge na sila para ready na kami for the next 4 days na duty ako. Si Mac, hindi ko sure kailan yung mga duty niya. Ang alam ko may isang duty pa siya for tomorrow, pero for next week, hindi ko alam kung ano yung ibang work niya, yung schedule niya. Hindi ko kasi chinecheck kung minsan. Pero, pag ako kasi yung duty, guys, na alam ko na tuloy-tuloy yung duty ko, ako kasi nagluluto ng ulam namin. Pero na-prepare ko na, para kahit antok na antok pa rin ako, at ayaw ko pang bumangon, may mapapainit kami agad para, ano mo yun, puno ang tiyan, busog ang tiyan bago mag-work. So, thank you so much everyone for watching. And I hope may natututunan po kayo sa ating mga vlogs. And thank you so much po sa mga naka-appreciate, sa mga nagsasabi na may natulungan dahil sa mga vlogs ko, may natutunan. And yun, kung minsan guys, natutuwa naman ako na mag-message kayo na, ay, natutunan kong magganito dahil sa'yo. Nakakatuwa lang na yung mga pinagagawa ko lang dito. Kung isang kalokohan na nga lang to may nakaka-appreciate naman. So, yun lang guys. Please share the videos to your friends who are coming here in the USA para medyo alam na rin nila yung medyo galawan ba pagdating dito para hindi ulit-ulit ang pag-i-explain sa kanila. At saka para makita nila kung paano talaga ginagawa yung mga bagay-bagay dito. Thank you so much and let's proceed to the shout out now. Hey everyone, thank you so much for reaching this part of this vlog again. And mag-shout out lang po muna tayo sa mga nag-comment po sa aking vlog na how we pump gas in the USA. First time gala in town. Kasi dito sa US guys, pagdating nyo, ay wala na po tayong gasoline boy. So tayo ang magpa-pump ng sarili nating gasolina. So if you want to know how we do it, just watch that vlog. I will link it in the description box down below. And shout out to Jella Alex. Ayan. Kay my Princess Mia. Sabi niya, love the vlog, tita. Antanani, I miss you so much already. Ayan, shout out. Shout out to my mom and to my Antanani. Tsaka kay ko na rin, sa suki kong tagapanood sa Canada, sa aking ama. Na mapanlait kung minsan sa mga vlogs ko. And then, shout out din kay It's Me Cherry, kay Ronnie Caberto. Uy, my Princess Mia again, you're here. Hi, tita, can we visit you there? Sabi niya, of course. Raymond Caberto, Judith Evangelista, and Certified Bex Vlog. Ayan. Ni parang Ilocano kami at kabsat. Sabi niya, Ilocano. Ilocano po kami. Ayan. So, thank you so much everyone for watching this vlog and for supporting the channel. Ayan. Sa pagko-comment nyo po, tsaka sa pagla-like nyo, natutulungan nyo po yung algorithm na malaman ni YouTube na meron po tayong mga ganitong videos. So, sana po continue nyo po yung pag-comment, tsaka sa pag-help ng pag-share ng mga videos natin para mas madami pong nurses na natutulungan. Sa totoo lang, pag nagsisearch tayo, wala tayong ma-search na mga Filipinos na content creator about sa life here in the USA kasi hindi masyado yung engagement. So, ayun, para po makatulong tayo sa mga creators and sa mga kababayan po natin na nasa Pinas pa or nasa ibang bansa para makapunta dito, comment down below at saka share at saka i-like nyo rin po yung video para mas tumas po yung algorithm niya. Yan, para mas maging searchable po siya. Yan, thank you so much everyone. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe. And if you haven't followed me yet on my Instagram and on my Facebook, the name is JoyOfMia. And I'll talk to you guys on my next one. Bye! Mwah.
I think it's sweet, you